नोव्हेंबर महिन्याच्या निमण्या सप्तकात जाल्ल्या प्रादेशीक आराखड्याचे बसकेत मुखेलमंत्री लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकार आणि उपमुख्यमंत्री ॲडव्होकेट फ्रांसिस डिसूजा हांणी आराखड्याविशीं जाता तितले बेगीन लोकांच्यो सुचोवण्यो आयकून घेवपाचो निर्णय घेतिल्लो. नगर नियोजन खात्यान नव्यान धाडिल्ल्या प्रस्तावा उपरांत सरकारान निमणो जमीन वापर येवजण उक्ती दवरपाचें थारायिल्लें.
Let it be open, no means. Let objection suggestions come. What you call program is set out in the notification, I think, if I'm not mistaken. The whole program it will go as per that. Wherever consultation is, we will do the consultation. If a small road has to be cut, then I have to consult the panchayat. If it is so obvious that it has to be cut, it has to be cut. A wrong thing is done, you have to be corrected, it has to be corrected. See, there are a lot of Gram Sabha resolutions and all, they have to look into it. Overnight I cannot tell you. There will be n number of suggestions and corrections to be done. So we'll try to do maximum as possible. Whatever is possible, we'll do it.
पहिल्या टप्प्यात पेडणे आणि सत्तरी तालुक्याचो आराखडो अधिसूचित केला आणि साश्ट आणि बार्देस तालुक्याचे आराखडे निमणे सुवातेर सूचित करतले. बार्देस आणि साश्ट मालात आराखड्याविशीं चड गुंतागुंत आशिल्ल्यान ह्या दोनूय मालाचे आराखडे निमण्या टप्प्यात दवरल्यात.
Step is to receive. Once received, that will be sorted into various categories. Then we'll consult to the various panchayats, the various constituencies. That process will go on. It's a completely democratic process.
They could be extended more than
That is not necessary. We have already received 3,500 objections, which are already there. Those will be considered also. That is important. So those people need not object again. That's the idea. That's the idea. Whether it will take place or not, God willing.
So it has been delayed a lot.
It has been delayed a lot. But it has started now, no?
It has started.
So once it has started, let's follow it up. I want to do it by 1st of April. I have to start notifying. The opposition has to talk that way. It's an opposition. They're not part of my government. So they'll oppose whatever we try to do. So let it finalize, no? Then we can talk.
Sir, one more question regarding the same ODP plan.
ODP Madgaon open केल्या, North Goa Murmugaon केल्या, सगळे ODP open केल्या. These are all under the Town Planning Act. So I'm not doing something extra. I'm not doing something less. So this is as per law. Under Town and Country Planning Act, ODPs that have been done by the respective planning and development authorities.
2012चे निवडणुकेत भारतीय जनता पार्टीन आपल्या जाहीरनाम्यात वादग्रस्त थारिल्लो प्रादेशीक आराखडो रद्द करपाचे आश्वासन दिल्ले. मात सत्तेर आयले उपरांत ह्याच आराखड्या अंतर्गत येवपी विकास कामां ठप्प दवरपाचो आदेश काडिल्लो. काँग्रेस सरकाराच्या वेळार गुगलावेल्यान तयार केल्ल्या आराखड्यातलो चुको सल्लागार प्रक्रिये वेळार विचारात घेतला. ह्या नादी प्रादेशीक आराखड्याविशीं आयिल्ल्यो 3,200 सुचोवण्यो नवीन सुचोवण्या वांगडा घेतला. RDX खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मुनुली.